Hello, good evening, everyone. Today, many of you are sitting here might be wondering, what is the student life at Cambridge? How we prepare them for the future? As just you learn from the video, we recognize the students' highly potential talent, make sure they have opportunity, extremely working hard toward their talent, guide them through the world. For example, in the high school, each student will assign a teacher counselor. Teacher counselor will work with the parents, students together. They create customized plans, make sure the students are recognized, pushed, encouraged, guided by the right path. That's why over the 10 years, we have 100% university placement in the result. For elementary school, we have homeroom teacher to create a customized plan to make sure the students will love the reading with daily habit. They make learning math fun by playing the game. To encourage the students to join the competition and then clubs with different talent in math, in English, in reading, in robotics, in coding, in yoga, and in basketball, and then so much more. Today, with the new location by the lake, like Charles said, we have more opportunity to design more outdoor classrooms. For example, English teacher will set up a shaded area with a bench and then can conduct English classes by the tree or have a group discussion. Art teacher, they will hold outside classroom for painting classes. Gym teacher will provide more outdoor playground. Outside learning make more interesting and stimulate sense of the students. At Cambridge, we will make sure good fortune and the best chances will play in students' education life. Today, we are together to learn more about education and recognize all the students the best step for the next level. So please join us for next tour of the Cambridge. Thank you so much for coming today.